everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a mani using 4 new colors from Virgo Gem. Now these colors are going to be releasing tomorrow, Tuesday, September 6th in the I Am collection, and it is filled with 17 neutral shades, which is perfect for the fall season. So this first color here is Resilient. The next neutral color here is called Grateful, and you will see that all the names of these colors in this collection are very empowering, and it's such a fun collection. And I really like how they came out with neutral colors. So this next beautiful color here is called Radiant, and this is more of a warmer tone, neutral with a little bit of cool undertones. It's super pretty. And then the next color here is probably my favorite. I mean, they're all my favorite, but this one right here is Brave, and this is giving me major cozy fall vibes. Like, I need a pumpkin spice latte and my cozy sweater with a matte mani. And look at these 4 colors together. Aren't they beautiful? Beautiful. And the other colors in this collection are also really pretty, and they're all going to coordinate really well together. So this collection is going to be releasing Tuesday, September 6th, and it is going to be launching at 7 p.m. Eastern time. So make sure you set your alarms, mark it on your calendar, because I feel like these colors are going to go really fast because they're just, you can use them all year long. They're very awesome colors. You can use them all by themselves like we're doing today. You can use them with glitters and all different colors. They're just really awesome staple colors for your collection. And with that Virgo Gem quality of that buttery goodness dip powders, I'm just really loving this collection. So for today's mani, we are going to be doing the gel method, and we're going to be using all 4 colors. And then we're going to change it up a bit, and we are going to be doing a matte finish on this mani. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. Alright, so we're just wrapping up this mani, and how gorgeous does this mani look with a matte finish? It's super fun, perfect for fall. I think matte finishes give me fall vibes, so I'm really loving this mani. So again, the I Am collection is releasing tomorrow with 17 neutral shades, and it's going to be available tomorrow, Tuesday, September 6th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. And stay tuned on my channel this week. We are going to be doing 4 more Virgo and Gem manis using each color individually and pairing it with some glitter and some other colors. So definitely stay tuned for that. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!